Hello and welcome to the Cheap and Easy Cooking Show. And by the way, I wrote and recorded this song. On today's video, we will be taste testing dollar store snacks. If you have a last minute get together, you can't beat this, especially at $1.25 each. Today we'll be taste testing mozzarella sticks, loaded potato sticks, and cream cheese pepper bites. These can be cooked several different ways: conventional oven, air fryer, and of course, deep fryer. Today, we will be using an air fryer. I'm cooking 3 different items at 3 different temperatures, so I decided on 4 minutes at 360. When I checked them, they needed more cooking, so I upped the temperature to 390 and gave it 3 more minutes. So, how do you think they turned out? And without further ado, here they are. They don't look too bad. They actually looked better than I thought they would, considering they're $1.25 for each box. Loaded potato sticks wasn't all that bad. I preferred them a little colder, actually. You can taste the flavors in there. These cream cheese pepper bites, those were actually pretty good. But you know, my favorite by far were the mozzarella cheese sticks. And just a warning, these are very high in sodium. But if you're in a pinch, you're hungry, you need something cheap, you really can't beat $1.25. I also bought one of these vanilla cream sodas at the Dollar Tree. It was fantastic. Well, that's it for today. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like. And don't forget to subscribe.